Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we are going to make Mickey Churro sugar cookies, just like the ones sold at Disneyland. So sit back and let's have some fun. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make the sugar cookies. 3/4 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a half a tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and sparkling sugar if desired. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and cinnamon, then set aside. Place the softened butter, the sugar, brown sugar in the bowl of a stand mixer and beat until light and fluffy. Add the eggs and the vanilla extract and mix until combined. Pour the dry ingredients into the bowl of the stand mixer with the butter and sugar mixture. Beat until combined and the cookie dough will form. Refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough on a floured surface until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Then use a Mickey Mouse cookie cutter to cut shapes out of the dough. Place the cookies on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. If you want, at this time, you can sprinkle some sparkling sugar over the cookies before you bake them. When the cookies have finished baking, remove them from the oven and transfer them to a cooling rack. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make the churro frosting. 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Add the butter, the brown sugar, the vanilla, and the cinnamon to a stand mixer or a food processor. Then mix to combine. Next, add the powdered sugar and mix until frosting forms. You can add a half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of milk to thin out the frosting if necessary. Next, add the frosting to a piping bag. I like to use this trick of using a cup to hold the piping bag open as you fill it. Cut the tip of the piping bag off and then add a swirl to both of Mickey's ears and to Mickey's head. Now is a great time to add more sparkling sugar to the top of the frosting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Mickey Churro sugar cookies. The full recipe is linked in the description below, as well as a link to my website where you can print it and find tons of other Disney-inspired recipes. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.